Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm trying something a little different for my backdrop. I don't know how I'm gonna like it. I feel like I'm really close to the camera, but we'll make it work for this video. So today I have something super exciting. I've been waiting for this to come in the mail. I bought a new Kate Spade bag and I wanted to do an unboxing video. And so literally I've been waiting all day long for this thing to get here. I got up, got ready, put makeup on, did my hair, and like, y'all, we're in quarantine. Like, nobody's doing all that every day. And so the shipping said they would be here today, so I was like, let me just go ahead and get ready so I can film my video. And now it's like 5 o'clock and it just got here, but it's fine, we're here, and it's time to unbox my Kate Spade bag. So I have the box here. This is what it came in, just a plain old like cardboard box. I figured it would come in like a Kate Spade-ish box, but it didn't, so yeah, I'm just gonna put it down here on my desk. Also, you guys, ignore my burnt shoulders. I was in the sun and I'm pale, so it is what it is. So, ooh, this is so exciting. This is what it looks like on the inside. So it just says, have a little printout here. Let's see what this says. Just says, thank you for shopping with us, questions, blah, blah, blah. This is weird. It's literally like a piece of paper, not like a postcard or anything. So we have that. So let's pull this out. It's just, so there's nothing else in the box. So I'm gonna put the box away. All right, so here it is, you guys. I'm so excited. You can kind of see here. I can't remember what this is called. Let's see. The Haze Perf. It's a small satchel in bright white. So I'm actually going to show you guys my collection of Kate Spade bags as well. I don't have many, but I figured I would just do an unboxing and show you all the bags that I already have. So this one is called the Haze Perf Small Satchel. And let's get it out of the plastic. Okay, so honestly, guys, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Ooh, which is good. You guys, it's so beautiful. I just love Kate Spade bags, you guys. They're just the prettiest. Oh my gosh. I don't have a white one. It smells so good. So let's take all of these little things off here. It has these little, like, what are these called? Tassels. Little tassels on the front and a little bow. Okay, so we have like a ton of wrapping here on the shoulder strap, so I'm going to take that off. So this bag actually has two ways you can carry it. It has like the small little handles here, and then it also has a long shoulder strap so you can wear it as a side bag. Whew, y'all, this thing was wrapped good. Why? Why is this here? Okay, well, that was the most complicated thing I've ever done in my entire life. This piece of plastic, oh my god. Okay, so we have our strap undone. Let's hook it up here. All right, it's starting to look more like a bag. They really do, like, put the packaging crazy on these things, which is good. They should. They're expensive bags. I do want to mention, I do not buy these at full price. Kate Spade bags can be really, really expensive, and I always wait for a surprise sale. And with the like COVID thing happening, all of the Kate Spade stores are closed, and they've actually had a surprise sale going for like a while now, like several weeks. So you can probably still like hop on and catch it, maybe. Okay, so I want to show the inside of this has tissue paper. So pro tip, keep the tissue paper that comes inside of a pretty bag like this, because it will help the bag keep its shape when you're storing it. So when I store my Kate Spade bags, I always put the tissue paper back inside of them, and then that way they kind of hold their shape a little bit better. All right, you guys, it's all unwrapped and it looks so pretty. I love this. So this, like I said, is the Haze Perf Small Satchel, and this is actually way bigger than I thought it was gonna be, which is amazing. I have several small side bags by Kate Spade, but nothing this big, I don't think. I do have like a handbag that is pretty, it's bigger than this one, but I just really like this as a side bag. So the Haze Perf Satchel This is the bright white, and it's got like the eyelet on the front, and yeah, it's like, you can't really tell, but there's no like material between like the outside and the inside of the bag. And the inside is this pretty bright pink. So there are no pockets on the outside, which is kind of a bummer. I'm a big fan of pockets on the outside of purses just because I like to keep my gum and my chapstick like super accessible. But we can make this work because it has like a middle little zipper thing here. So inside the bag you have two good sized open spots on each side, and then there's just like the little middle part. Oh, there's like a little pouch here, and this has the like the care card, how to take care of your bag. And then the center just has the zipper pouch, which would be good for like wallet or something. And there aren't any pockets like on the sides here, but there is that extra pocket here, which is pretty cool, so I like that. So yeah, and the strap here is adjustable, so you can adjust it to the length that you like. And y'all, this is so super cute. I'm definitely about to change my purse out because, whew, this girl, so cute. Okay, so I also wanted to share with you guys my like collection of Kate Spade bags. I have 4 plus the new one, so now I have a total of 5 bags. And I guess I'm going to work like backwards on my collection, like when I got them. Okay, so the first bag I'm going to show you guys is the one that I'm currently using. So this is also a side bag, and it just looks like this. This is called the Magnolia Street Isabella, and this one actually doesn't have a color listed. I can't remember what the name of this color was, but it's just kind of like a peachy pink, and it's scalloped around the edges, and it's just like a flap. And it has a magnet closure. So this is the one I'm using now, so it's full of all of my stuff. But the inside is pretty basic. It's just this like maroonish color, and then it has one little like open pocket on the inside, and then that's it. And it holds everything that I need in here. Like I said, it's scalloped, it has little gold detailing. All of the hardware on this one is gold. And yeah, I really like the size of this one. It fits everything that I need on a day-to-day basis. So this is the one I'm using now, even though it's about to be packed away because I'm changing it to the new one that I just got, but I do love this one. Okay, so the next one that I have to show you is one that I actually got at like a physical outlet store. So the other ones that I have shown you so far I've gotten online during a surprise sale. And so this next one is actually one that I bought in an outlet store, and I can't remember the name of it, like the name of the bag, but this is the one that I have. It's a red bag. It's just like a small side bag, and the strap actually does come out. This is how I store them, in case you're wondering, especially side bags, because the straps, the handles can get in the way, and they're like everywhere. And so I finally figured out a way to store them. So I have the tissue paper that came with it in the bag here, and then I just kind of like run the strap into it. So, and then I zip it up, and it's so much easier to store it this way. So like the bag that I just got, the white one, the strap, the side bag, the long strap is removable, but these are not. Like, this is actually connected to the bag. You can't take this strap off, and so I like to store it this way, like I said, with the tissue paper inside. That way it holds its shape a little bit more. But this one also has a pocket on the front, which it's kind of like a tight pocket, but you could put something in there. But yeah, I really like this one as well. This is just a red bag. I like using this one at like Christmas, like in the fall time. It's a good color. Okay, so this next bag that I have was actually the first Kate Spade bag that I bought for myself. And I do have the name of this one. So this is the Sawyer Street Declan, and this is just in black, and it has a little bow detailing here, and same thing goes for this one as the red bag. I have the strap kind of tucked into the bag with the tissue paper in there to store it. So it has gold hardware on the sides here, like up here maybe like 4 or 5 inches of gold chain, and then the rest is just the black leather strap. And this one, I don't know, I haven't used this one in a while. It does have a zipper pocket on the inside, just a small zipper side pocket, and then the rest is just open. And I don't know if you can like go online and find these now, probably not, because they were part of a surprise sale. But I'm sure you can find something very similar. And I really like this one. This is a good size too. This one I like to use like if I'm going out somewhere. It's nice and fancy if you're going like downtown and you do that kind of stuff. But this is also a good one for like fall and winter, a nice dark color. All right, and the last bag that is part of my collection was actually a gift. So my first Kate Spade was a gift from my mom. I really, really wanted a Kate Spade bag, and this was the one that I picked out, and she got it for me for Christmas one year. So this is actually a big handbag, and this one looks a lot like the Sawyer Street Declan. It's the same kind of leather material, the same gold and everything like that, but even has the bow. I wonder if this was like part of the same collection. I went through a phase when I was a little bit younger where I only carried humongous bags. Like that was all you could catch me with, was a huge handbag. And I got this when I was kind of like still in that phase. That's why all my other bags are kind of small, because I learned to like compress all of the stuff that I carry. Like I realized I didn't need all that stuff. So anyway, I got this as a gift, and let's check out the inside. I actually haven't used this one in a while. I did use it as a work bag. I work in an elementary school, for those of you who don't know me. I run a after school program, and so I kept like a notebook and just like random stuff in here, but that quickly changed because this is just not a good bag to use in a school. I changed to a book bag to carry all of my stuff. I work with kids, and so it just wasn't like smart to have this kind of a bag. It wasn't functional in an elementary school. But so, and there's even like, it's so gross on the bottom, like there's glitter and stuff from when I carried it up to school. This is a huge bag, you guys. You can fit so much in here. It has 2 little open side pockets here. You can't really tell. Let's see, 1 and 2. And then on this side, it just has a zipper pocket here. So it's good for all of your little goodies. This is actually a really, really good size pocket. I've never noticed that before. It's really wide. It covers the span of like the entire bag. So this is such a good classic bag, and it would be a good work bag if you were like in an office or something, and you could probably put, maybe not a laptop, but you could definitely fit an iPad in here. And just like a notebook and pens and pencils and like pencil case, whatever you needed for your job. I watched a lot of videos when I was trying to decide on a work bag. I was actually going to buy one and realized like, hey, I have a lot of cute bags. Why don't I just use one that I have? And so that's when I went to my Kate Spade, this as a work bag, because I watched a lot of videos where people were using their Kate Spade bags as work bags. And so this one would definitely work for that. But if I was to use it again, I would probably just use it as a purse, because I just, more functional for me that way. All right, everybody, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing all my Kate Spade bags. I love watching videos like this where you can just see what people have. It's fun to see what people like and what people buy. So yeah, make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Like this video if you liked it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.